We're Doug and Judy Van Berkel from Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin, and we have our studio for about 15 years.
Very cool. You're from the cheese state. I promised you I wouldn't make jokes about cheese, but I lied. I know you've been to at least 4 of the MAP programs, the MAP Getaways. What do you love most about the Getaway? What is it that you keep coming back to each year? What are some of the benefits you've gotten out of it?
Oh, always learning something new, meeting other photographers. It's a chance to get out of the studio and learn something.
And concentrate on marketing and growing the studio through the marketing.
So.
What's the nature of your business? If you looked at the mix of how you shoot, how's your business break out? What kind of photographs are you doing? What are you shooting?
I do mostly high school seniors and children and babies.
And in terms of your marketing material over all these years, has it focused on each one of those, or is it kind of rotated as you grew the business more?
It's focused mostly on high school seniors and on our children.
Okay, and when you look at the whole MAP program and the Getaway and the things that you learn when you're here, what do you like most about it? What's your favorite, and you can have more than one if you want. What are your favorite things about the MAP program?
You tell me. No, I love having our coordinator, our facilitator, calling us, checking up on us, making sure we're keeping on track, keeping on schedule, giving us all new ideas, sending us emails. She'll send us emails saying, oh, this is something new, or you should try this. It's great to have new ideas.
Do you feel the MAP program's made you guys a stronger studio?
I think so, yes. Very much so.
Wouldn't have done it for 5 years if we didn't.